Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to read Pete the Cat's Train Trip by James Dean. Pete the Cat's Train Trip. Pete the Cat is going to visit his grandma. He gets to ride on a train. There he is at the train station. Pete's mom buys 3 tickets. She gives one to Pete and one to his brother Bob. And of course, she keeps one for herself. I love the way Mom's dress matches her suitcase. Pete looks up at the big board. Our train is leaving at 10 o'clock, he says. A train speeds by. That's a cargo train, Bob tells Pete. I like the way they have their suitcases labeled. Pete's train has arrived. All aboard, calls the conductor. Everyone is ready to board the train with their suitcases in hand. Pete's mom finds 3 seats. I can't wait to see Grandma, says Bob. I can't wait to explore the train, says Pete. The conductor comes to collect the tickets. Pete hands his over. I love trains, says Pete. I'll show you around, says the conductor. Pete has on his conductor's hat. Pete follows the conductor from car to car as the floor rumbles under his feet. Wow, Pete says when they get to the caboose. We're going over a bridge. Pete sees his mom and Bob. They are at the snack bar. I got this for you, says Bob. Well, that was a nice thing for a brother to do. Pete follows the conductor. He goes to the front of the train. Come in, says the engineer. Wow, Pete says. The engineer shows him the engine. And there are the controls. He can make it go fast, slow, or stop. The engineer shows Pete the train's brakes. There is a tunnel up ahead. As they go through the tunnel, Pete gets up to honk the horn. Toot, toot. I bet that was fun. Everything is light again. Thanks for showing me around, Pete says. Pete just showed good manners. On his way back to his seat, Pete stops and makes new friends. They live in different towns. They are getting off at different stops. Pete plays games. A little kid wears his hat. Pete sings a song. Oh, that's nice that they're sharing. What a groovy ride. We get off at the next stop, says Pete's mom. Toot, toot. Pete looks out the window and sees. I wonder what he sees. Can you predict what Pete may see outside the window? Grandma! Pete is the first one off the train. Looks like they really love each other. Pete's grandma gives him a big hug. It feels good. I know I love getting hugs from my grandma. Pete loves riding the train, but he loves his grandma even more. And look, he drew her a picture. The end.